Okay. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Sorry I didn't post nothing. Um, for the half of the last week, I had a family emergency that I had to go to. I was up in profit, so it was a good day, a good week for me, anyways. This is a recap on the week. Monday, Tuesday, we had some winning trades. Wednesday, I had to take a flight. Wednesday morning. So I was up Wednesday in the AMs, just going on tilt trading in London and Asia session. Don't do that. I lost a couple dollars on there. Ate some from my profits, but it's fine though. So took that little bit of loss, and then these 2 days I didn't trade because I was out somewhere else. So we are here, and this week right now with a current balance of almost 2%, so 50,818. So almost 2% that we are there. The goal is 5%, so we can hit payout status. So working towards 5%, seeing how it is today. So first things first, let's check news. We have PMI. PMI happened roughly about 15 minutes ago, so that's a good time for us to come in there and trade off of PMI. We have the daily time frame. We can take this out since you guys saw that already. We have the daily time frame, bullish. Remember structure and levels, bullish. There's really no levels other than a daily order block maybe. We're gonna mark this order block right here. Yeah, other than that, there's really nothing. Great moving up to the upside. Price came down to this order block, fair value gap. Looks like it's going to make another fair value gap soon. It could still be on the rise. Here's a 4-hour order block. There we go. Structure and levels. Remember higher time frames. So structure and levels. There's no fair value gap here. There's a little fair value gap right here. Let me mark this. Fair value gap. 4-hour fair value gap right there. 1 hour. Structure and levels. Fair value gap here, but no fair value gap made yet. So it could be made. You got a 15-minute. Just got an order block right here. Yeah, 15 right there. Yeah, so 15-minute confirmations. It's not really a lot of levels for price to trade off of today. Not really a lot of levels. It's very extended. OTD, premium discount. Yeah, so this will be the discount range. Let's check what price did overnight. Just expanding. You got London lows it didn't take. Everything's bullish though. Yeah, I would love to get along, but I don't know. Everything is pretty extended. Just got a piece of my beard in my mouth. Love it. No 5-minute levels. Yeah, we'll just see what's up with this. What's up with the price? Actually, we'll have the prices and the levels marked out, and we'll just see. We'll go on the 15-minute mark PMD on 15. Um, yeah, so I'll just wait for price to come down and do something. I'm not gonna try to take a long from right here. You know what I'm saying? Like that'll be insane. I'm not gonna just come in and hope for the best right now, especially that there's prices for it to retrace to. That M1 is right at discount premium switch, and that's where my stop loss would be close to. That's not a full stop. This is a full stop. So yeah, that'd be crazy if I just jumped into the trade like that. What's this? It's down. It's my bad. Right, cool. Love it, love it. But just gonna wait for price to come down. Uh, Gotta be patient today. If we want to just throw in money at random points, we're most likely gonna lose it. So let's just be patient today and see what price wants to do. Yeah, so now we're just waiting for just to confirm we're bullish. We're looking for longs, but we are looking for some reactions to key levels. All right, so that was a fair value gap. Let me check the ES. Right, that's a fair value gap at 10, 10. So let me put ES over here. Let's get a better look at both of them. Sorry, you won't see ES, but if there's anything to talk about or to mark up, I'll mark it up. We will see. So I took the trade over here. This will be my stop loss. Pretty overextended the price. I wouldn't feel comfortable just jumping into that fair value gap. Now it could run off without me, sure, but doing that little template, that long template is playing with my psychology, giving me some FOMO. I'll just delete that. Yeah, I'm gonna go for a short going into the levels. I'm just gonna wait for this candle to give me some more action before before doing that. There you go. You see, patience is king. Right through the value gap again. Made it all work out. You know, remember the ES? You can't see it over here, but ES has a fair value gap, a bearish fair value gap that it's currently working its way up to. So this could be a little fake out while ES plays into their fair value gap to continue to push to the downside. So into more discount areas and more liquidity down there. So good entry. I like my entry. Went for the short, guys. Went for the short. I liked what I was seeing. I liked what I was seeing. Yeah, and we'll just play with this right here. So I liked what I was saying. I went short. I know the whole thing, everything high card was bullish. I personally felt like everything was overextended, and I wasn't comfortable going into a long at this point. And I wanted to see the market retrace a little bit more. I could be wrong, could be, but I do believe that the market would want to retrace a little bit more into discount areas to grab more liquidity to continue the push up. So I have my discount and my premium marked out on the 15 minute, which will also just created a new fair value gap. So once price touches that fair value gap on the 1 minute, breaking through these lows and everything like that, I will watch price very closely. I don't want to go break even too much. I mean, price just gave a nice little heavy push. So yeah, I'm gonna go break even. We're gonna secure our position right now. We'll go break even. And yeah, so I feel like I'm at a good spot for break even right now. We'll hold and we'll do my famous 1-to-1 or freaking 1 to 1.6 thing going here. So we'll have that. And yeah, I didn't see no divergences or anything like that. I just saw a lot of bearish price action. I saw fair value gaps not being respected, price overextended uh, to the point where I'm just like, yeah, price. it- I don't want to predict what price is going to do. Just go off by experience. So seeing where price was, seeing it was so overextended, I wouldn't be comfortable jumping into a long at that point. So I was watching for and waiting for a retracement into more optimal levels for longs. And at that point, while I'm waiting for it to retrace more, I saw a lot of bearish price action, with fair value gaps and everything like that. So I saw a lot of bearishness, and I was waiting for bearishness so price could get to those levels. So I felt comfortable shorting at those areas, uh, waiting for price to get to those levels, anticipating price getting to those levels because I could be wrong. It could have used those levels to keep going up, keep going into its bullish properties. Like look at this, I think I'm about to get taken out at break even, but we will see. But yeah, so that's why I wasn't comfortable going long at those levels, but seeing how price was reacting, I was definitely comfortable going short. And price could be reacting off this fair value gap right here. This nice little one right there, if you don't see it. Price really wants to take me out. Price is really playing with my stop loss right now. That was the 15-minute fair value gap. Delete that. I'm already at break even. Price wouldn't have hit my 1-to-1 TP anyways. So I'm not tripping about that. I'm not tripping about it doing all that. Now I would have hit it now. So let's see how price reacts right here. Ooh, look at that. Money. Secured the 1-to-1. We're lit. Let's see if price wants to keep pushing to that 1.6. And it did it. So let's see how much we won today. Um, this was my trade, guys, for the proper risk right here. Boom. That was the trade today with a nice $506.90. That was the trade. Beautiful trade right here. So let's edit that today. How much money did we get? 506.9. 506. Boom. Look at that. All right, yeah, we're up for the week so far. 51325. 51325. Is that the highest I've been? 5 1. Hey, look at that, you guys. Look at that. Look at that. 5 1. Here, let me put it over here so editing can be easy. 51325. All right. So point two, 2.6 is where I'm at with the account. Price is currently melting, and if I would have held, can't get too hurt. You got to keep that in mind sometimes. Just journal it, data, make sure it's data, good data, and just know how if you want to switch, you know how you do your TPs and all your stop losses and everything like that. Take like 2, 3 weeks worth of data. If you don't have it, then you got to start creating that data. You got to start either looking back at your trades and then, you can make the data up, or if you don't have access to your past trades because you delete everything, you don't journal, then you're just gonna have to start from, day one. So if you want to, start stretching out your TP because you feel like you're losing on some gains, that's fine. Just make sure you have the data. I would say at least 2 weeks worth of data minimum, and you can see if you were to stretch for that TP for all your trades, where would you be? Profitable? Would you be break even? Would you actually be, in the red? So everything's about data here. So 2.6, kind of stoked, guys. This is dope. December. I'm not going to be trading Christmas week. I heard that was a nasty week to trade. Really, I'll probably will trade it maybe. Being realistic, I probably will trade it, but I'll trade it maybe with micros, maybe with minis the first couple days until until I get burnt and lose all my profit. So this will be my first week, my first Christmas week trading because I haven't traded last year's because I think I was on a break maybe or something like that. I was really going through it with trading. So I don't think I traded last year. I don't remember trading during the holidays. I think I was going through like a learning thing on the holidays. I think I was watching like a whole bunch of ICT and stuff, like just studying crazy, crazy. But that's it. So we could do a nice trade recap. I'm sorry for talking too much, guys. Here's the trade recap, right? That's what everybody wants to know, right? So I was looking at everything, right? Everything was bullish. Daily was bullish. 4 hour bullish, super bullish. We're at all-time highs. So everything is bullish. Everything is bullish, right? So if we start adding the levels that I was looking at, right? When we start at the daily, right? There's really nothing other than this order block. We go to the 4 hour. We got maybe a little fair value gap here. We got an order block here. What else? That's it. Fair value gap with an order block. That's it. And that order block can be debatable. 1 hour bullish, but where's levels at? Fair value gap again, same thing with the 1 hour, so didn't mark it. Yeah, London lows, right? Not a lot of levels, a lot of expansion happened, right? So I'm over here thinking like a lot of expansion happened. Would I feel comfortable pressing long right now? No, I wouldn't. It's too extended out, and I would wanted to retrace a little bit more so I can feel confident going into a long, right? And look at that, price went straight to my 1.6 TP, and now it's reversing. So I got out at a good time. Missed $300, but hey, I made 500. So we lit, bro. All right, so yeah, so 1 hour again. Marked out the levels. Possible fair value gap forming right here. Uh, that's it really on the 1 hour. 15-minute order flow was bullish. That was the confirmation to go long. Loved it. Levels, I did a premium to discount right here, so I wanted to see price retrace into the discount, you see, and be more comfortable getting longs into there. And so that's what happened. So we go down to the 1 minute, have my premium and discount switch marked out, and how we say this, I was just waiting right here. So we have the first fair value gap, and I knew I wanted price to retrace a little bit more. Let me use the arrows, right? So price is doing this, going all the way up, right? So I wanted to see price, as it's going up, I wanted to nice retracement so it can continue pushing up. That's what I wanted to go long, right? However, I'm seeing a lot of this negative, this bearish price action right here with the fair value gap, playing with it, playing with it, playing with it. Came out of it again like if it was going to go long, like it was ready to go long. And how would you say? It was playing with us. It was playing. It wasn't really respecting it. The bullish price action that it was giving off of it were just fake outs. So I'm like, okay, cool. I'm feeling confident that price wants to retrace a little bit more, wants to retrace into deeper levels before going long. You have a swing low right here. You have the premium and discount switch right here, and I'm all the way up here. So I was like, I feel confident taking this short all the way down into those levels, right? If I was a better trader, I probably would have had my stop or my TP right here, or maybe just go for my 1 to 6 right here. Like I said, price went exactly to that, but I am a disciplined trader, right? So I went for my profit target. I went for it exactly how I drew it up, and I got exactly what I wanted. So now price is playing with this area right over here, making me want to go long. But that's not what I'm gonna do right there. You know what I'm saying? But if I did go long, here I'll enter late. Let's be realistic, right? Stop loss right here. We'll go for a 1 to 1, and we'll just watch it, right? It's pretty fun to me. Right, so that's why what happened. Price was playing with these fair value gaps right here, and I was like, not really respecting the bullish narrative. Let's go short into some levels to go long, and that's exactly what happened. So as you see, boom, went down, came in here. Now it's on the verge of going long again. But yeah, that's it for today, guys. Really good trade today, really good and simple. It was a 30-minute stream. So I love it. I love it here. So that's what we got going on. So thank you guys for watching. I'll catch y'all next time.